With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. In this video, we are discussing implement a recursive binary search algorithm on your system to reach for a number 100 in the following arrays of integers 10, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70 and 100. Show the processes step by step. Also draw recursive calls to be made in this problem. If you need answer, contact us. Thank you so much for watching.